Look at here, I've got this pretty interesting item here. It's a wok cooking station. Let's do a walk around. So right here you have the off and on. You can adjust your regulator. Come over here, it's got a shelf on the bottom, another shelf right here. It has a drawer, comes with a wok. Over here on the side, it's got another place that comes out, and it's got 3 right here to hang your spoons or whatever you got. Just pick it up and it folds right back down. Over here has a cutting board. But the cutting board covers up this. If you'll open this drawer up, here's a wind guard that you'll slide in these slots. Push it back like that, and then you'll lift these up. That's going to hold your wok. There we go. We got a fire. There's an igniter right here. Look at that thing go. So you can adjust your flame however you want. That's wide open right there. Now, I've never cooked on anything like this, so this is going to be a learning curve for me. And I'm kind of excited to get started on this. We're going to cut up some meat and we're going to prepare us a stir fry. Alright, just going to let y'all know that this thing cleaned up really well. There was a lot of stuff that splattered everywhere. Hey, I liked it. That was fun. I enjoyed that. I've never cooked with a wok before. That was my first time. I can't wait to go in here and eat it.